Good morning. I'm Kathy McAndrew. I'm an order expediter at my company, and I've just been notified by my CEO that I have a supply issue. Using my Oracle Order Management enhanced with Endeca, it's going to help me determine exactly what are my high volume orders and which orders have the largest fulfillment delays. This is going to help me still meet my quarterly goals by fulfilling the largest dollar orders that I have still waiting to be fulfilled. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to limit my order date range so that it's looking at the orders that I've just done the past 2 weeks. As I limit the data, watch how my graphs and my metric bar changes. You'll see now that my fulfillment delay just in the past 2 weeks is up to over 11 days to fulfill my orders. I can see all of the products and the customers that are affected by these also. I'm going to focus in directly on my highest fulfillment delays. So using my range bar, I'm going to look at all my orders that are between 14 and 15 days of delays. As I hover over the bar, I can see exactly the delay and the order amount. 22 days delay has my highest dollar amount. I also want to come down and look at my actual order data. So I'm going to search by the highest order amount because again, I want to be working to get out my high orders so that I can meet my quarter. I'm going to drill into this order and see exactly what the customer is, what they ordered. I can see that it is one of my very important customers, the Department of Defense, and I can see exactly the item that they ordered. Now I'm going to notify manufacturing so that they can look into this customer and this particular item and see if there's a way we could expedite it and get it out on time.
Hi, I'm Bill Desmond, Production Supervisor. So sales has contacted me and told us we have a customer order that's critical and that we're running behind on it. So I'm going to go in and using my Endeca for discrete manufacturing, quickly look into what the problem is with this order. I go in and search. I can see I've got a number of orders out here, and by typing in just the first part of their name, I can search for just that one customer's order. And we go from 31 open orders that we're currently working on to the one for them. I can also see, based on the change in my tag cloud, that the potential issue of this order is component shortages. So I come down to my overview and click the component shortage tab. I can get the details on this order. So my final assembly and components are listed. In this case here, I've got a component I'm short of, and engineering has pre-approved several substitutes. You can see I'm 200 short. The order of the customer, it's an 80 gigabyte solid state hard drive, and it's needed at operation 30. So let's find a little bit more about our 80 gig hard drive and the alternates. So to do that, I'm going to go to my Endeca for the product master. And once again, I've got over 3,000 items in my master. I can quickly narrow that down by typing in 80 gigabyte. And I've got 3 drives now that I need to be concerned with. Come down here and look at my search results. And if I highlight all of them and take my actions, I can quickly compare them. And not just compare within a given organization, but compare their attributes across multiple organizations. So as I scroll down and look at my search results, I'm going to select the item that was called for on the bill, the 13139, make that my baseline, and ask the system to highlight the differences between this and the alternatives. And as I scroll down, I can look at the attributes of this item. I can see my base item. Here's 3 gig per second. This one here is actually a little bit faster, but most importantly, where I only have 121 of the primary item and I need 200, I have over 945 of these, all of which are available to reserve. So I think I found my substitute. we can get this resolved. So I'm going to navigate back to Endeca for discrete manufacturing. It remembers where I was, so it takes me right back into that order I was on. And that was at operation 30 that I had an issue. So if I come in and look at my operations, scroll over here, and actually go in and click the View Core Content link, it takes me right into the discrete MES workstation where I can update that exception. I click Go, and out comes the original exception, the node history of the shortage, and I can go in, tell the operator to use the approved substitute. We can complete the order on time and make our quarterly numbers.